Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam, for those who don't know me, and today we are gonna continue on that Christmas and holiday theme. I can't wait to do this one with you. I've seen it on Pinterest, I've seen it on Facebook, I've seen it on multiple platforms, and I wanted to try it out myself with you guys to see how it would turn out, if it's as easy as it looks. Maybe it's a little bit harder than it looks. Whichever the case, I want to experience it with you guys so that if you wanted to do it as well for a Christmas present or just to have as a decoration, you can do that as well. What we're making today is called a Hot Chocolate Snowman gift for whoever you want to give, like a nice warm hot chocolate drink, but also in the end have a cute decor or decoration for your home as well. The best thing about this is that I think the most that I spent was probably on the hot chocolate mix, just from Walmart. Everything else is pretty easy, cheap, and accessible to get, so as long as you have like a dollar store around you or a Dollar Tree, whichever you have in your area, you should be able to do this as well. Starting off, I got these cute little jars. They came in a set of 3 for $2.50. So if you divide that by 3, so if you calculate it, that's 83 cents per jar. That's not bad. Like, they're cute little sizes and they can be multiple uses, as they do stand like this, like on the side or upright, whichever you prefer. So I thought that was pretty handy to make it a multi-purpose use. We're gonna use some black paint, which I got at the dollar store as well. I believe this was $1. Some ribbon, $1.25, and some cute little marshmallows. Cute little marshmallows, which actually are $1. They also came from the dollar store. I did test them out before considering them, because you never know, sometimes with the dollar store they could be made either with less ingredients or whatever, more unhealthy ingredients to make it cheaper. So tested it to make sure that it had that marshmallowy flavor that you want. I've already opened them, so definitely good. Oh, I do have the hot chocolate mix over there. I had it previously in my cupboard. I believe I got it from Walmart, probably around $3. To make this snowman, I am going to stack it on top like that, and I'm gonna have to glue it down. So there is a hot glue gun involved, which you could also get at the dollar store. The one that I have, I use quite a bit, so it's a little more heavy duty. It came from Depot. For a while I did use the dollar store one. It does work if you need it. So again, all dollar store related items pretty much. So let's get to it. Okay, so while my hot glue gun is warming up, I'm just going to the process that I kind of have in mind. So I've taken the lid off of this one here, and I'm going to put glue all the way around the inner circle here, because it does raise up in the middle bottom here, and the glue might not be able to catch it, or it might not be able to properly glue. So to prevent that from happening, I'm going to go around the edge of the surface here, and I might go a little bit on the actual jar itself. It does fit nice and even into the circle on the lid. So once I do that, I'll hold that in place, and then as that happens, I'll continue on onto this jar while that's drying. So either I'm filling it, painting it. I'm not too sure yet if I should paint it first or fill it. I think I might fill it first just so that I have an idea of what it looks like before I paint it. Now we'll take the ribbon and wrap it around the top of the bottom jar. Make sure it fits. And I'll hot glue gun that. There we go. We'll see if we can make a bow. So we make the bow ahead of time so that it stays intact when we glue it on to our wrapped around ribbon. To create more of a hat, I'm going to glue the top lid of the other to the top of this one. We will paint that black. We'll do a second coat once it dries. I want to thank you guys for watching my video. It was a cute and successful decor item that I thought was good for the time of year, the holiday season coming up, and just a money saver but yet heartwarming gift that you can give to someone either in your family or friends. If you like this type of ideas or gifts saving adventure, like make sure to give that thumbs up button a press so that I know to continue making these type of videos. If you like this type of content where we talk about decor items, then also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can see my videos that come out every Tuesday. And have a terrific Tuesday, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys! These are really good.